Up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Just finished bashing sessions down at the gravelpit, so I'm gonna do some kind of breakdown, explain what I'm using in my cars. First out is the Traxxas XMAXX 8S. I'm running a, I think it's called Pro Graphic, but I unpainted the black one. We're gonna start with the obvious. As you see, I'm running aluminum arms. These are the WFO RC Racing WideArm kit 775. Titanium shafts. Running their sleeves over the outdrives. Running their ESC mount for the Max 5. Running their Motormount for the bigger cans. Running their 1.5 mod gears. I'm running 33 spur, 25 tooth pinion. What else? No, I think that's it. So the Leopard 950 is a 58 110 motor. Max 5. Thunderoos is 18K fan. Ripper Killer 8 attacks. Also running M2C pistons in the shocks. If I'm not mistaken, I think I'm running 300 rear and 350 CST front. They're light chassis brace, which are sent from above. I think they have a beefier one that are full sized over here, same width as the one where you mounted into the skid plates, and also their new center shaft system, which are twin one. I'm gonna try to put a link in the description. No more bent center shafts. I'd say of all upgrades, that one sure is a good one. So for servo, I'm running the Avex Monster. I think it's at 2290 something, 60 or 65 kilograms. Brand new tires, no one insert. So guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme, gravel pit. New tires and rims on the Traxxas XMAXX. As you can see, I'm running the WFO Wide KIT using the twin shaft X-Design M2C center shafts. Oh! Okay guys, this time I got proper shoes, so no gravel in them. Still not much of a piles to jump down here yet, but it's late spring, so we'll see. And traction roll with the wide kit should be impossible, so smart move, Thomas. Dust for days. Almost again. See if we're gonna stand up here. Yeah, it was a decent jump actually. Well, I'm lucky. I got 3. No, I got 3 more. Well, that's it, guys.